Hi there, students. Sisyphean. This is an adjective talking about a job that has no end, a never-ending task. Yeah, a task or a job that can never be completed. So I guess perfection is by its nature Sisyphean. Yeah, there's always something that you can improve. I think trying to eliminate corruption from politics is a Sisyphean task. Okay, so Sisyphean, something that never ends. It also gives the idea of something that's futile and seemingly endless. Endless and endless huge toil. Okay, so a really hard job that you never ever seem to be able to finish. I think by describing something as Sisyphean, you're saying it's never going to be completed. So very definitely learning English is a Sisyphean task. There are always things to know, and I learn something new to do with English probably every day. Okay, so Sisyphean, endlessly laborious, without end, like painting the fourth bridge. Okay, that's another metaphor about it. So Sisyphean, this is a formal literary word. I think I'm going to give this a 7 or even a 7.5 in formality. Informally, an endless task, unending task, never-ending job. Yeah, work without end. Use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing only. And then as to origin, this comes from Greek mythology. There was a king of Corinth known as Sisyphus. Yeah, and he cheated death twice. Yeah, he escaped death twice, and Zeus, the king of the gods, got angry with him. So he punished him by giving him an immense boulder, an immense rock that he had to take it uphill. He had to roll this boulder up the hill, and every time he almost got to the top, it rolled back down again. So he had to roll this rock up to the top of the hill, but he was never going to complete this. And then this was his job for eternity. And then from that we have the idea of Sisyphean, a task that is both laborious and futile. Yeah, maybe tidying up is Sisyphean due to the action of entropy. Cleaning is a Sisyphean job because while you're cleaning, things are getting dirty as well. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sisyphean, an endless job, just like painting the fourth bridge.